What's up, you guys? This is Eddie here with Mr. Home. Just want a quick update on our Melrose project. I've been getting a lot of questions in regards to how people are actually financing these types of jobs. We actually work with Chris here. She'll be able to answer and help you guys out with any questions you guys have for any future projects or any emergency projects that you guys want to take on pretty soon.
All right, so thanks, Eddie. My name is Chris. We work with builders who want to do either new construction, renovation. This project here, you can finance any home if you're midstream construction. So what we do is called a renovation loan, and you can go down as low as 620 on your credit score. We're able to pay for architect, permits, the contractor costs. We also do title updates. We do draw inspections. All of that is going to be wrapped into the loan so that in case the market fluctuates in rates. Now rates are up a little bit right now, but when they go back down, guess what? We also offer a free refinance. So if you have any questions about how to finance a project, or if you're looking to buy a home that needs financing, that's what we specialize in, and we're able to help you in all 50 states.
So if you're interested in a project, reach out to us first. I'll go give you guys the estimate and then pass you guys along to Chris, and she'll be able to help you out.
Opkald, der er intet svar.